Peregrine on the round rock, right by the bathing spot. Picked up some pretty good calls she was making earlier, and we're hoping for her to do it again. You can see the ripple of a little breeze. The water in the puddle there is making a few ripples. She's checking everything here. I'll zoom in as close as I can on her. There we are. Back off just a little bit here. Too close there. There we are. Back there on our rock again. We're waiting for her to start that bath. Back off a little more. There we go. It's got one big rock there she can sit on, and plenty of water there for bathing. And there's her bath area right there. I'll come back in. And there's her bath area. I'll zoom in from here. And there she is. Keeping an eye out for the mate. Thinking about maybe taking a bath. I see several birds in this area. We got Cooper hawks, eagles, merlins, kestrels. We have a lot of them down here. But I think we'll look for the other one.